Today we are going to a multimedia class on English second paper. So my dear student, look at the multimedia projector screen. Welcome today's class, my dear student. Here is my identification. Look at the screen, and now we are going to our today's class. My dear student, read the following sentences and try what are written on the blackboard. Here are some sentences, and you have to know about this sentence. What are this sentence about? So, my dear student, try to guess what are we to learn, what are we to learn today? Yes, you are right. Today we are going to learn. Today we are going to learn changing sentence. So today we learn changing sentence. My dear student, look at the screen. According to structure, there are three kinds of sentence. These sentences are simple, complex, and compound. It is divided according to the structure. So today we know about the characteristics and features of the simple, complex, and compound sentence. First we see simple sentence. Simple sentence. What is called simple sentence? Simple sentence called when a sentence contains only one subject and one finite verb. It is called simple sentence. So in a simple sentence we find there is no conjunction. Without any conjunction, simple sentence bears a subject and only a finite verb. So finite verb. Now we know about complex sentence. When a sentence contains one principal clause and more than one subordinate, it is called complex sentence. More subordinate means two or three subordinate clause. A complex sentence contains one principal clause and more than one. That means two or three subordinate clause. So we see some example. Follow the scheme. We eat so that we may live. It is known to all that he is a good teacher. I know what he thinks. There are two colors of sentence here. So if we divided the sentence, here is the yellow color and green color. Green color principal clause and yellow color subordinate clause. Follow the sentences. This is PC. PC means principal clause and SC means subordinate clause. So in a complex sentence, one principal clause, one subordinate clause. One principal clause, one subordinate clause. So in a complex sentence, we find a principal clause and one or more subordinate clause. Now we see compound sentence. So here are some conjunction. Complex sentence. If we find the complex sentence, some conjunction, that means as, since, when, who, which, where, what, that, why, while, after, before, if, whether, unless, till, until, so that, because, though, although, in order that, hardly, scarcely, and barely. If we find any of the conjunction of this sort, we know that we decide that it is a complex sentence. Next, compound sentence. This is compound sentence. A compound sentence is a sentence which has more than one principal clause. That means 2 or 3 principal clause adding with and or but. This is compound sentence. Follow the scheme. He is poor but he is honest. The sun set and we went home. Read or you will fail. These are the compound sentence. And if we find and or but, if we find and or but, and or but, then we can say it is a compound sentence. So at last we can decide if any sentence combine with and or but, this is compound. There is no conjunction in a simple sentence, and others conjunction will contain complex sentence. Here is a chart for you. If you follow this chart, you can easily find out these kinds of sentence, simple, complex or compound. If we find but, or, and then, this is compound. If we find though, although, if, do not, if, why, when, this is complex. And in the simple sentence, there is no conjunction. Follow the blackboard. At first we write a compound sentence, then we make it, change it into simple, and after that complex. So this is compound, after that simple, and at last complex. Every 3 sentences we make it. So from the chart you can easily understand simple, complex and compound. So open your exercise book and write down the homework. You write the answer, and next class you will bring to the class. This is your home task. So thank you, my dear students, for attending a multimedia class. We see you next. Thank you.